Why do I have back pain while I'm sleeping? This is a good question. It seems like when you're sleeping, you're laying down, you're resting, that the pain and those kind of symptoms would be less. But in some patients, they have worse back pain when they're sleeping. So let's take a moment to look at the spinal structure. So this is the spine. You can see here we have discs in between the bones. These discs are really important because they act like shock absorbers, they allow for movement, and they can get injured. When they get injured, it's like a sprained ankle. So what happens when you sprain your ankle? It swells up, right? Same thing happens to the disc. So that swelling can be kept in check by moving around and by going through your day. And then when you lay down at night to go to sleep, that pressure of you being in gravity and your weight kind of goes away. And that pressure's been keeping the swelling in check. So you lay down and it just swells up. That swelling causes a lot of pain and it causes a lot of pressure on the nerves that live right next to the disc. It's really common to see that patients will have more pain while they're sleeping. Part of it has to do with the sleeping position too. This is definitely a factor. The best position I can recommend, if patients can adhere to it, because we have, everybody has a sleeping position that they have ingrained in their routine, and it's really hard to break that sometimes. But sleeping on your side with a pillow between your knees and a pillow on your head that kind of keeps your head in the middle instead of doing this. The pillow between the knees kind of acts like a kickstand. It keeps you from rolling and twisting at night. That twisting, the disc does not like the twisting, especially if it's swelling, so that helps a lot. Typically, we'll see a big improvement in these symptoms with chiropractic care and also with a change in the sleeping position. Pain usually will abate in the morning gradually as you move around, and it kind of pumps that inflammation, that fluid, away from that area. But we want to see a more sustained, a more long-term healing and fix for this problem. And chiropractic care can definitely help with rehabbing these discs that have been injured. I'm Dr. Ste Battaglino with Battaglino Family Chiropractic, and this has been your Health Minute.